Hi, in this video we're going to talk about some of the resources you have for question 1 on the exam. So first of all, I'm going to show you where to find the examples of question 1. I'm back here on apcentral.collegeboard.org. This is the home page that comes up. And if I look at this menu here, AP Courses and Exams, I'm going to click on that and go to Course and Exam Pages. I'm going to find some previous exam questions to use as examples, as practice for this question 1 that we're going to have. So AP Music Theory right there. I want to go to, scroll down just a little bit here, the exam. Okay, that's where I'm going to find these questions from previous exams. So if I just scroll on down here, here's the 2019 free response questions. If I will click here on theory questions, it's going to bring up a PDF of the free response questions from the 2019 exam. So on the 2019 exam, what I'm looking for here first is FR5, or question 5 right here. So there's the question 5 from the 2019 exam. So go on there, find that, print it off, fill it out. That'll be good practice. Okay, that's what question 1 is going to look like. That's the first part of question 1, this figured base. Okay, figured base means we've got these numbers here showing you need to put in the 6th above the base, the 4th above the base, and the 3rd above the base. The 6th with that slash on it means it's going to be raised by a half step, so it's probably the leading tone in the key of G minor. Okay, it's possible that this will be in a minor key. At least one of these two questions from question 1 will be in a minor key. Okay, then if I go on and look at the next question, question 6, that will be the other one that you have on this exam. So question 6 is the voice leading from Roman numerals. Now the one thing that will not happen on this exam this year will be this secondary dominant chord. Okay, you're not going to have a chord with the slash. So while you're voice leading this, you may actually find it better practice for this year at least to just skip that one and go straight from the 6 to the 2/6, and do your voice leading from that chord to that chord, and that'll be an example of what it would look like on the exam this year. Now you'll notice you'll have about the same amount of suggested time as they've had on these questions. So you might want to practice doing this one in 10 minutes, or maybe just a little bit less since you don't have that secondary dominant chord to worry about on the exam. Now the great thing here is that you don't just have the 2019 exam to work with. You can use all of the previous year's exams to practice this. So if I go back to where I was here on this exam page, scroll down a little bit past exam questions, then I can choose 2018 or any previous year all the way back to 1999. That's the year I took the exam. Okay, so you can work on about 21 different examples of these two questions. Always looking for question 5 and question 6. Those are the two that will be on this year's exam.